So the more you can automate all of the same tasks that the developers have to do, then the less time they have to spend on it. There's a couple of approaches that we recommend, typically what we've seen be successful with some of our other customers that run into the same problem. So one is definitely automation. So the more you can automate all of the same tasks that the developers have to do, then the less time they have to spend on it, and they can focus on delivering the value as part of their normal product roadmap. So if you can automate parts of that process, if you can integrate with the existing developer tools, the DevOps tools, or the AppSec tools they're using, then that can make the entire thing go a lot faster. So for example, the first step of automation is you can basically tell the platform what you're working on in a variety of different ways. You can fill out a survey, you can import a diagram, and it will automatically, based on a rules engine and our threat library, produce the list of high priority threats. So that immediately saves a lot of time for the developers because it tells them what they should be focused on. From there, we can automatically push all of the information, the requirements, and the code samples out to the issue trackers or whatever development tools they're using. So typically, Jira is what most developers use to receive the requirements. We can automatically funnel that to the developers and keep it filtered to only the most high priority things. Within those tickets, we provide them training and we provide them other code samples that help them how to mitigate those risks. The last part of that automation is that we then tie back into application security testing and scanning tools. And so it can then identify things that a scanner picked up and automatically resolve those based on how they've been tracking the requirements that they got from SD elements. And then the last part is reporting. So we can automatically then generate a report that says all of these risks have been mitigated, or this is the level of compliance that a team is at. And then you can even scale that up to the enterprise level, where you can see that across all of your teams, all the technology components you're working on, and all the products that your teams are building. The benefit is a couple of areas. So one, it just makes things go a lot faster. So you don't slow down your ability to deliver new value to customers in the market, and your roadmap stays on track if you're a customer. The other benefit is you're leveling up all of your individual developers so that they understand how to identify these risks and mitigate them. And so that saves you costs. You don't have to go out and hire experts. You don't have to go out and bring in specific people, which are very hard to find.